Looks like it's been here a long time. Everything's covered in rust. All right, time to clear this out. All right, just gotta push. Almost there, come on. Keep your guard up. Something's in there. Come on. I hear it too. Time to clean this place up. All right, let's get this patched up. The ceiling is finished. All the insulation and structure are completed. That's better. All right, time to set up shop. This will do perfectly. All right, perfect fit. Looks solid, ready for the mattress? Yeah, feels good. Let's get settled in. I've been hiking for hours, but it's always worth it for moments like this.